How to act like Tifa Lockhart. Have you ever felt like you want to be a bit more like the beautiful, kind yet a little mysterious character Tifa from Final Fantasy VII? Well, follow these tips and you'll be a real-life Tifa Lockhart in no time. Steps. 1. Try to be kind to everyone. At least give everyone a chance. You might be surprised by people. Tifa is described as a kind, although often quiet character. And even though she is physically strong, she is emotionally shy. Unless you already are shy by nature, acting shy is completely optional. Tifa is very friendly, and despite her often revealing choice of clothing, you'd never hear a bad word from her. She is also rather independent. 2. Try to get physically strong. When Tifa fought Laws in Advent Children, she moved with ease and proved to have very strong arms in particular. Make sure to do something physically challenging every day. Run, bike, dance, learn how to do some kind of martial art, for example jujitsu, karate, or maybe even taekwondo. Make sure to stay in shape, and you'll gain a much healthier lifestyle while you're at it, too. 3. Look the part. Tifa has long, dark brown hair, red eyes, sometimes appearing brown, and tan skin. If you're like me, and have blonde hair, blue eyes and sorta pale skin, have no fear. You could just try to get a tan in the summer, and if you want to, but only if you want to, you could get a fake tan in the winter. As for the hair, if you don't want to dye it or you simply aren't allowed to, see if you can get highlights. They're more effective for the look than you might think. And when it comes to the eyes, you don't have to do anything special about them if you don't feel like it. Tifa also has very fair skin, so if you have dry skin, try to take a moisturizing lotion every night, and if you have acne, get acne medication. A bonus is that you'll probably feel more confident about yourself if you have fair skin, too. For makeup, use some black eyeliner and mascara. Don't use lipstick, just put on some lip balm to make sure your lips stay good in general. 4. Dress the part. In Final Fantasy VII, Tifa wears a white tank top, a black skirt with red boots and red gloves. In Advent Children, she wears a white top under a black zip-up vest and black shorts which fold at the waist, creating an additional utility pocket at the front, plus a short duster at the back extending to her heels with black and white sort of Converse-like short boots, and black leather gloves. In Crisis Core, she wears a cowgirl outfit with cowboy boots and a brown skirt with a leather vest and a cowboy hat. Seeing as you probably don't want to wear only these 3 outfits every single day, try to wear neutral colors like black, white, brown and the occasional red and blue. Often wear quite short skirts, shorts and tank tops. If it's too cold to wear this, try to have leggings underneath, or maybe jeans and a tunic. 5. Try to smile even though you may be in a hopeless situation. Tifa is known for being bright and optimistic and she cheers up the other when they are down. Tips. Dress in quite neutral colors like black, white, brown and sometimes red. If you don't feel comfortable wearing skirts, try to start with leggings underneath or simply stick to shorts. Try not to overdo your makeup. Tifa has black eyeliner and mascara so that she receives that smoky eye effect, but she doesn't overdo it. Tifa is friendly and shy by nature, and she can have some problem talking about her feelings. But she is still strong, both emotionally and physically, even if she can be kinda sensitive sometimes. She is also very protective of the one she loves, and is motherly to those younger than her. Even though she can wear kind of revealing clothes, Tifa never says a bad word about anyone. Warnings. Even if Tifa wears miniskirts and wears as well, don't put it on unless you feel very comfortable and confident in it.